Welcome back, everyone. One of the most common iPhone problems that I see on an everyday basis is essentially I don't have access to my microphone, my camera, the specific app doesn't have access to my photos. How do I go ahead and fix this? This is essentially the easiest thing you can fix in the world, and all you have to do is make your way over to your settings app. So once you're in your settings app, you'll probably come into a panel like this, and all you want to do is scroll down until you start seeing some apps. So you can see I have some apps right here. Now, let's say I have an app like, Apollo. This is a Reddit client, it's a very good app. As you can see, I have nothing that I can go ahead and, enable. So now, for example, let's go into an app like Instagram, for example. This is an app that I see a lot of people having issues with. Well, you can see up top there are a ton of different options. So what you want to, first bring your attention to is location. Let's say the app needs my location and I didn't share it. Well, you share your location by clicking on this toggle and allowing the app to use your location either while you're using it or asking next time or whatever the case is. You want it to basically prompt you if you want to turn on photos. You want to go and click on photos and you want to either allow it to have selected photos or access to all photos. In my opinion, I like having it to allow access to all photos. The microphone, if your microphone is not working, you want to make sure your microphone is toggled in here on this specific app and it'll go ahead and work there. The camera is another really big area where a lot of people overlook. And essentially all you have to do is just enable this camera, and that's really pretty much it for that. Notifications, if your notifications are working, you can go and kind of go into here and tinker around with this. And the same thing goes for the the last ones. But the microphone, the camera, and obviously the photos are the one things I would recommend you to look at. And you have to do this on a per app basis. So you have to go through every single one of these apps in order to actually kind of get that specific thing going. If you don't go through each of these apps, then those apps that you don't enable are not going to work. So that's essentially how you go ahead and fix this little problem. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.